Good morning.
Good morning.
3 days. 2 days?
I don't hear anything. They're power washing. 3 full days.
We're going to Alien Compass for breakfast, brunch. We have no plans today. As been
Kinda hanging out.
the theme for the last couple days. No plans. But we'll see where the Disney takes us. Ah, I missed you, Yacht Club. Wow, what a nice yacht club. Feels so yacht-like. Look at these flowers. I forgot to take pictures of our food.
It's good. I'm full.
Yeah.
I want ice cream.
Pancakes and stuff. I really was expecting your blueberry pancakes to be sweeter. I didn't forget this food.
Oh, it's almost done.
It's mango. That's good. We're heading out of March. She killed her ice cream. It's gonna be like 93 degrees today, so hopefully it stays 93 and not windy. That way we can enjoy the pool for longer. Man, we had a really nice long siesta time.
Vacation from our vacation.
Someone's having fun over there. We're gonna have dinner at the Cantina place or whatever it was called. Mercado Coronado. And then we're gonna head to the Magic Kingdom for fireworks. I'm gonna get that 360 video.
You brought it?
Yeah. It's gonna be good. We got bowls. They look super destroyed because they are.
Oh yeah, you just went for it.
Just went for it. I think she's gonna win. I'm bad at this.
Game I win at.
Yeah, I'm the best. I'm the best.
I don't think I was supposed to win the last time.
I'm the best. I'm a planetary pilot. We have found our spot for the night. Hopefully the 360 of this comes out nicely. So I just want to relive this moment in all my VR dreams. I love this spot. This spot is the best.
You like it better than the front?
Can we do one more of this spot and then one more in the front?
Yeah, sure. Whatever you want. I kind of freaked out already.
Haunted Mansion time. I love Happily Ever After. Scaredy cat.
I hate scary things. I hate them so much.
Let's get a Dole Whip.
Let's get a Dole Whip.
Yes!
Thank you.
It's get out time. These last couple of days are just going by way too fast.
But I feel like we're not really doing anything. So I don't know why it's going by so fast.
I know, we're being super lazy.
I know.
2 more days after this.
2 more full days, right? Monday, Tuesday.
Yep. We're back at Coronado.
Mm-hmm.
And we got our refill.
Lemonade.
Yep.
And yeah, we're gonna go to our room.
Take this annoying contact out.
Okay. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Disney Springs.
Get some stuff for family and friends and such. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
2 more days. How sad are you?
I'm like 100% sad.
Me too.
Went by too fast.
Thought I had all this time,
I know.
but in reality, I didn't. So we're gonna go buy stuff for our friends and family at Disney Springs.
I know it feels like we haven't been doing much,
Because we haven't.
but it's been nice.
Alright, see ya, Amber.
Bye, Angel.
Amber. Long line of buses today. There we are. Go to the spring. Ooh, Captain Marvel bus. Finally here at Disney Springs. Hey B, how long was that bus ride? It was like 2 hours we were in that bus waiting. Here, gas yourself up, B.
I was smart enough.
Wait, you're not in the right sun. Okay, now you can gas yourself
I was
up.
smart enough to go online and order our breakfast food. Well, your breakfast food. before breakfast was over because we would have gotten here after 11. So I'm a smart woman.
Yeah.
How do I get there?
I thought you were smart. Sandwich time. She's too fast for me. You gotta get that shirt for somebody.
I love this.
Even if it's just for yourself, because that shirt's ball.
Right?
I like that. We going back to the pool today?
We could. Wanna?
So hot.
We can.
This is my favorite bar in the entire world. Got something for Adrian and Kevin in this bag over here. Yeah. And now we're venturing in the sweltering heat for some chicken. But not that chicken. Homecoming chicken. Ooh, lunch. What? Where's my food? What the hell? Julie's still at the room and we are trying to find the pool. Quiet pool is kind of full. So let's check the dig site. This is literally the first time we've been apart all vacation. To Magic Kingdom. After 1 hour and another 60 minutes.
We haven't been doing well.
We're finally at Magic Kingdom. What's going on with the buses? I think they want us to leave.
I think so, they're sick of us. Oh, you should have gotten it when it was nice.
I know, I forgot. This is the Peter Pan.
It was really good.
What was it again?
Peter Pan float.
Peter Pan float?
It's lime, soft serve, and Sprite.
It tastes just like shots. The popsicle ice cream shots from my childhood.
Yes.
I didn't even realize I missed that until I said that line about like 5 minutes ago. And now I'm just repeating it. Yum. We're just waiting for the fireworks to come so I can take a second 360 video. Yesterday's video was not the best. Hi, Bubba.
Like a new shot?
Yep. I love fireworks.
Attention Space Mountain passengers.
One last ride.
Space Mountain.
Alright.
Alright.
That concludes day something. I don't remember. Maybe.
12. I don't know.
And then that's it.
That's it.
Then we have to say goodbye to Magic Kingdom.
Forever.